Welcome back to another video by Chemical Engineering Life. Are you a chemical engineer who wishes to work in quality assurance but don't know where to begin? Well, then you are at the right place. In this video, we have decided to have a look at the top 5 essential hard skills for chemical engineers who wishes to work in quality assurance. So do watch the video till the very end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life for more videos. Let's begin. The skill that we have at number 5 is data analysis and statistics. Data analysis is a cornerstone of quality assurance as it helps chemical engineers make data-driven decisions about process improvement and product consistency. Proficiency in statistical softwares like Minitab, MATLAB, R, Python, or Excel is essential for analyzing trends, validating product quality, and optimizing manufacturing processes. For chemical engineers working in QA, being able to interpret data and create actionable insights is a key major skill. Chemical engineers can build this competency by learning statistical analysis, completing software training courses, and applying these tools in projects focused on process optimization and quality monitoring. The skill that we have at number 4 is the root cause analysis and problem solving. It involves identifying the underlying causes of quality issues and implementing effective solutions to prevent recurrence. For chemical engineers in QA, this skill is essential for addressing production errors, equipment malfunctions, and process inefficiencies. Problem-solving techniques such as fishbone diagram, 5 whys, and fault tree analysis are commonly used across the sectors. To develop this skill, chemical engineers can participate in problem-solving workshops, practice RCA techniques in case studies, and work on real-world scenarios that require troubleshooting. We have at number 3 is the regulatory standards and compliance. Chemical engineers in QA need a thorough understanding of regulatory standards such as the ISO 9001 for quality management systems, good manufacturing practices, and industry-specific guidelines like REACH or FDA regulations for chemical products. These standards ensure that the products being produced are safe, effective, and fulfill the legal requirements. Knowledge of regulatory compliance is critical to avoid these fines, recalls, and reputational damage to the company. Chemical engineers can gain this expertise by studying the relevant standards, attending compliance webinars, and participating in audits to understand the practical applications of these guidelines. The skill that we have at number 2 is the statistical process control. Quality control methods focus on monitoring and maintaining the consistency of products and processes. Therefore, statistical process control is a vital part of this, involving the use of statistical tools to identify trends, variations, and defects in a manufacturing process. For chemical engineers working in QA, these skills are critical for maintaining the integrity and consistency of products and processes. Detecting quality issues early allows engineers to identify potential defects or deviations before they escalate into larger problems that could compromise product safety and compliance. By leveraging these skills, chemical engineers can very easily monitor production process in real time, analyze data to pinpoint irregularities, and implement corrective actions that address the root cause of the issue. And chemical engineers can learn these techniques through specialized training, certifications like Six Sigma, and practical experience in process monitoring and data analysis. And finally, the skill that we have at number 1 is analytical testing and instrumentation. Analytical testing involves using advanced laboratory techniques to evaluate the composition and quality of chemical products. Chemical engineers in QA must be skilled in operating instruments like the high-performance liquid chromatography, gas chromatography, and spectrophotometers. These tools are crucial for identifying impurities, verifying product specifications, and ensuring compliance with the quality standards. Therefore, having the detailed knowledge in this instrumentation is a key skill for chemical engineers breaking into this field. Engineers can develop this skill by gaining hands-on experience in laboratories, completing coursework in analytical chemistry, and participating in training sessions focused on instrumentation and data analysis. Thank you so very much for watching. These were the top 5 skills that we feel are the most important for chemical engineers willing to work in quality assurance. To learn more about us, remember to visit our website at www.ChemEnggLife.com, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.